ओके राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, एन एक्वस सोल्यूशन ऑफ MbR2 मेटल ब्रोमाइड MbR2 मोलरिटी 0.05 m is saturated with H2S what is minimum pH at which MS will form precipitate. pH at which MS will form precipitate. Given the Ksp of MS, it is metal sulfide 6 into 10 to power minus 21, concentration of H2S 0.1 molar, and given for H2S K1 10 to power minus 7 and Ka2 10 to power minus Ka is 1.3 into 10 to power minus 13 are the values given of Ka1 and Ka2 of H2S. You know H2S is diprotic acid. So Ka1, Ka2 given conjugate steps. Okay, try this question yourself. हो गया. Now to solve this question, let us think upon K2 form precipitate of this MS. What we require? We require concentration of sulfide ions. So as per the information, what is concentration of sulfide ions required for precipitation of MS कितना होगा? Ksp of MS divided by concentration of metal plus 2 ions. Metal ions will be taken same as metal bromide because it is strongly applied. What is Ksp given of MS 6 into 10 to power minus 21, metal ion 0.05. On solving, this is coming how much? You can take into 100 means 1.2 into 10 to power minus 19 molar. Concentration required of sulfide ions in solving this question is how much? 1.2 into 10 to power minus 19 moles per liter. From where we get sulfide ions? From H2S dissociation. When we take H2S in two steps, when we add, we get H plus ions and sulfide ions. For the ratio, what is Ka overall? It can be taken Ka1 into Ka2. अब देखो ना, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? स्टेप 1 H2S give H ion plus HS negative ion Ka1. When HS negative ion dissociate in second step to form hydrogen ion plus sulfide ions, then we have Ka2 expression. When we add reaction at equilibrium Kc, what happened to K values? They are multiplied. So for the reaction of Ka overall, Ka1 into Ka2. पूछा क्वेश्चन क्या है? What the pH is minimum? What is minimum pH? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Concentration of H ions is maximum. That means sulfide ion is minimum. What is sulfide ion minimum required here? This much. So for this calculation, we can take what is Ka of the reaction overall. Ka1 into Ka2 is equal to concentration of H ion square into sulfide ions divided by concentration of H2S. K1, K2 given 10 to power minus 7, 1.3 into 10 to power minus 13, H ion concentration square, sulfide आपको दिया है 1.2 into 10 to power minus 19 by H2S in solution given 0.1 molar. In the given expression we know everything except this concentration of hydrogen plus ions. लिखा ना pH is minimum. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? H ion concentration maximum. That means sulfide ion should be minimum to maintain the K value constant overall of the reaction. This point you have to think in this question. So when we take calculation done, we can find the concentration of H plus ions. आप निकाल लेंगे इसमें. After calculation of concentration of hydrogen plus ions, we can find the pH value. What is pH? Minus log of concentration of hydrogen plus ions, जो आप यहाँ से निकाल के पुट करेंगे यहाँ पर. And then the answer of this question is coming. आप निकाल लीजिए. Answer of the question given is 0.98. Should be your answer. Come after solving this expression. The solution of pH in this case 0.98. आप चेक कर लीजिए, इतना आपका आंसर आना चाहिए इस क्वेश्चन के लिए. ओके, write down this question. at 25 degrees Celsius will a ppt of magnesium hydroxide which is 10 to power minus 4 molar 10 to power minus 4 molar in solution of magnesium nitrate if the pH of solution is adjusted to 9. KSP given of magnesium hydroxide 8.9 into 10 to power minus 12 MQ. अगला इस पर सब कुछ है at what minimum pH will the precipitation start? At what minimum pH will precipitation start? Okay, try this question yourself. हो गया? Now coming on solution part of this question, to predict whether the salt form PBT or not, हमारा एक कंडीशन है. क्या कंडीशन है? That the ionic product should exceed the solubility product. KSP will remain always constant. KSP will remain always constant. हमें क्या निकालना पड़ेगा इसमें? Ionic product. To find ionic product of magnesium hydroxide, the compound given is magnesium hydroxide. It has how much ionic product? देखिए, expression we can write of ionic product concentration of magnesium plus 2 ions into OH negative square is the expression for the calculation of ionic product. Magnesium plus ion come from magnesium nitrate. आपको दिया है, ये तो पता लग गया आपको 10 to power minus 4. How to find this OH ions concentration? How to find OH ion concentration? From the pH. Solution है pH 9. pH 9 का मीनिंग क्या है? Solution basic है. That means what is pOH 5. pOH 5 indicate the concentration of OH negative ion is 10 to power minus 5 molar. तो OH ion concentration you know 10 to power minus 5 molar. Mg plus 2n is given 10 to power minus 4. Now you can calculate the ionic product. So in this case, how much is the value coming of ionic product? 10 to power minus 4 into OH दिया 10 to power minus 5 का square. तो सॉल्व में कितना आएगा? 10 to power minus 14. What is ionic product? इतना है. तो ionic product is less than KSP. So PBT will not form. No precipitation occur in this condition. It is first part of question. In this condition, no PBT formation can take place. Are you clear? Now for doing second part of question पूछा है at what minimum pH? pH is minimum means pOH is maximum. pOH maximum means concentration of OH negative ion should be minimum. So to do second part of question, you can again equate KSP is equal to magnesium plus 2 ion into OH negative ion square. आपको ये OH निकालने पड़ेंगे डायरेक्टली यहाँ से KSP से. तो what is concentration of OH negative ions coming? KSP of magnesium hydroxide कितना दिया है वैल्यू 8.9 into 10 to power minus 12 by magnesium plus 2 ion 10 to power minus 4 का square root. You can solve this part here. From here we find the concentration of OH negative ions. This OH negative ion concentration is minimum. That means pOH become maximum. pOH maximum means pH become minimum. To start the precipitation of the solution, after calculation of OH negative ion, we can find pOH. अब आपको खुद करेंगे कैलकुलेशन अगला पार्ट का. Once we know pOH, then we can find the pH. So on solving this question, your answer for pH should come 10.45. For this question to solve, your answer of pH will be coming 10.45. Okay. So that is this question. इसमें आपको दो पार्ट में क्वेश्चन दिया है. आपको पहले प्रेडिक्ट करना है पीपीटी बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा इसमें. तो कंडीशन सिंपल है. For precipitation to take place, ionic product should exceed KSP. KSP आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में और वो दिया रहेगा, फिक्स होता है, चेंज नहीं होता है. बट आपका क्या निकालेंगे इसमें, आयनिक प्रोडक्ट, एंड दैट इज वेरिएबल, चेंज हो सकता है आयनिक प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू। तो आप निकाला पहले कितना आएगा आयनिक प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू, व्हिच इज लोअर देन KSP, देयरफॉर PPT विल नॉट फॉर्म। टू स्टार्ट प्रेसिपिटेशन हमें निकालना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट इज OH एंड कंसंट्रेशन मिनिमम फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन स्टार्ट द प्रेसिपिटेशन ऑफ मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। तो निकाला अपने OH नेगेटिव, फ्रॉम OH we find first POH, we first find the POH of solution. Once for solution we know the POH value, then pH of solution can be determined. On solving your pH should come 10.45 as your answer. Okay, so write the next question. आप लिखिए क्वेश्चन को, a solution is 0.1 molar in Cl negative ion and 10 to power minus 3 molar in chromatines and 10 to power minus 3 molar in chromatines, full stop. Solid AgNO3 is gradually added to the solution, then which will form PPT first, AgCl or Ag2CrO4? Then which will form PPT first, AgCl or Ag2CrO4? Value are given of KSP of AgCl is 1.7 into 10 to power minus 10 and KSP of Ag2CrO4 is 1.9 into 10 to power minus 12. Okay, the question has two parts. The second part of question is there, what is the percentage of Cl negative ions, what percentage of Cl negative ions remains in the solution when Ag2CrO4 begins to precipitate. What percentage of Cl negative ions remain in the solution? Okay, so solve this part of this two part of the question. Try this question yourself. Okay, now to solve this question, देखिए हमारे पास दो पार्ट में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है। पहला पार्ट क्या दिया है, वी फाइंड द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस आयंस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर AgCl, कितना होगा, KSP ऑफ AgCl 1.7 into 10 to power minus 10 divided by concentration of Cl negative ion 0.1, that is 1.7 into 10 to power minus 9 molar. Similarly, we can find concentration of Ag plus ions required for Ag2CrO4, कितना होगा, KSP of Ag2CrO4 1.9 into 10 to power minus 12 by concentration of chromatines 10 to power minus 3 का square root. So concentration of Ag plus ions from for Ag2CrO4 कितना है, root of this value 1.9 is KSP 1.9 into 10 to power minus 12 by 10 to power minus 3. On solving this value you can take it coming 4.36 into 10 to power minus 5 molar. Now we can compare the concentration required of Ag plus ions for AgCl precipitation is lower as compared to concentration required of Ag plus ions for precipitation of Ag2CrO4. That means Cl negative ion form PPT first. So the first part answer here, that since concentration required of Ag plus ions is lower for AgCl precipitation, so AgCl form PPT first. क्यों है, because it require lower Ag plus ions, because solution have already fixed Cl negative ion, from outside we are adding AgNO3, so the value reaching first of Ag plus ion will be this much. To reach this it require more addition of AgNO3, so can take from this first part here that AgCl will form PPT first. Now coming on second part of question, what is concentration of Cl negative ions in solution when Ag2CrO4 begins precipitation, कितना आएगा, KSP of AgCl 1.7 into 10 to power minus 10 divided by 4.36 into 10 to power minus 5. Okay, so you can calculate here this concentration coming is how much here? It is coming about you can take minus 3.9 into 10 to power minus 6 molar. On solving this, concentration of Cl negative ion should be coming on solving this concentration of Cl negative ion is coming 3.9 into 10 to power minus 6 molar. समझ आ रहा है? Once it is known to us, that is our second part answer. कि the concentration of Cl negative ion in solution when Ag to CrO4 begins to precipitate will be how much? Ksp of AgCl divided by concentration of Ag plus ions when Ag to CrO4 begins to precipitate. That coming on solving is 3.9 into 10 to power minus 6 molar. Now asking percentage. So how much the percentage of Cl negative ion in solution remaining? Left in solution कितना होगा? Concentration remaining in solution by initial concentration into 100. So that will come 3.9 into 10 to power minus 3%. Means we take almost all the AgCl from PPT and separate out. So percentage of Cl negative ion left in solution when Ag to CrO4 begins to precipitate is 3.9 into 10 to power minus 3%. Okay, that is this question. Okay, so write next question. Write down. Okay, a solution is 0.01 molar in Ag plus ions and 0.001 molar in barium plus 2 ions. Full stop. Solid potassium chromate K2CrO4 is added slowly. Right in bracket, assume no volume change. Then find, first part दिया है, find concentration of chromate ions required to form precipitate. Concentration of chromate ions required to form precipitate of Ag2CrO4 and barium chromate. Concentration of chromate ions required to form precipitate of Ag2CrO4 and barium chromate. Second bit, which is precipitated first, Ag2CrO4 or barium chromate, BaCrO4. But third, what is concentration of first ion? What is concentration of first ion when second ion begins to precipitate? What is concentration of first ion when second ion begins to precipitate? Full stop. आगे कुछ है, would addition of chromate ions be a practical method? Would addition of chromate ions be a practical method of separation of Ag plus ions and barium plus 2 ions? The data is given to you. Ksp of Ag2CrO4 is 1.1 into 10 to power minus 12. Given the Ksp of Ag2CrO4 1.1 into 10 to power minus 12 and Ksp of barium chromate is 2.2 into 10 to power minus 10 and Ksp of barium chromate is 2.2 into 10 to power minus 10. That much information in the question is given to you. Okay. Now try this question yourself. Solution part of this question. To solve this question, what we require? We discussed some question right now already of this category. देखिए पहला पार्ट क्या है? आपको solution दिया है barium plus 2 ions and Ag plus ions same concentration. We are adding outside chromate ions. So we are going the Ksp values of chromates of silver and barium both. Now find the concentration of chromate ions. You can take from your calculation concentration of chromate ions required for precipitation of Ag plus ions or Ag2CrO4 कितना हुआ? It is Ksp of Ag2CrO4 1.1 into 10 to power minus 12 by 0.01 कितना ऐसा होना है? 1.1 into 10 to power minus 10 molar. Concentration required of chromate ions for precipitation of silver chromate will be Ksp of silver chromate Ag2CrO4 divided by Ag plus ions. In solution you have how much concentration of Ag plus ions? 0.01 molar. On solving here we get the one part. Then how much is the concentration required of square और उसमें minus ये बचेगा. Concentration of Ksp by Agn square. Then what is concentration required of chromate ions for barium chromate? Precipitation of barium chromate कितना आएगा? 2.2 into 10 to power minus 10 divided by 0.01. Barium single तो 0.01. That come 2.2 into 10 to power minus 8 molar. So you can see the concentration required of chromate ions for Ag plus ions or barium plus 2 इतना आएगा इसमें. So we can take the concentration required of chromate ions for the precipitation of Ag2CrO4 is less. Therefore Ag2CrO4 form PPT first. Whichever required lower concentration of chromate ions will form PPT first. That is your first part answer. And second part as well. First part का which how much required is first answer. Which form PPT first? It's second answer. Now coming to third part. What is concentration of first ion? What is first ion taken here? Ag plus ions. So what is concentration of second ion? In this case what is second ion? Barium plus 2 ions. So in this case concentration कितना आएगा इसमें? Ag plus ions. That is first ion. When barium chromate or barium chromate begins to precipitate, it is Ksp of Ag2CrO4 1.1 into 10 to power minus 12 divided by concentration of chromate ions in solution 2.2 into 10 to power minus 8 का square root. Ag square आएगा इसमें. On solving from here, we can find the concentration of Ag plus ions when barium chromate, that is second ion, begins to precipitate. When barium chromate begins to precipitate, solution has how much chromate ions? This much. That chromate ions you will put here. Ksp of the same salt Ag2CrO4, Ksp are constant. So put the Ksp and concentration of the chromate ions at this point. On solving from here, we can find the concentration of Ag plus ions. कितना है निकालने पर इसका value? Something around we can take कितना होगा 1/2 हो गया. 1/2 I can write here 0.5. 0.5 into कितना होगा 10 to power minus 4 या 50 into 10 to power minus 6 I can write then square root. कितना है ये 7.07 into 10 to power minus 3 molar. अब चेक कर लीजिए. तो concentration of Ag plus ions will come how much? 7.07 into 10 to power minus 3 molar. That means how much is the percentage? It is remaining. So percentage of Ag plus ion left in solution is how much? 7.07 into 10 to power minus 3 by initial concentration of Ag plus ions 0.01 into 100. That come how much on solving? You can take here 707 is 70.7%. When barium plus 2 ion, the second ion, start precipitation, solution contain 70.7% of Ag plus ion is still unprecipitated. That means it is not a practical method for separation of Ag plus ions and barium plus 2 ion by selective precipitation. देखो उसमें कंडीशन क्या होता है सिलेक्टिव प्रेसिपिटेशन में कि बिफोर द सेकंड आयन begins to precipitate, before the second ion begins to precipitate, almost all the first ion should have formed PPT. We can say more than 99% at the actual meaning. But यहाँ पर कितना दिया है कि when second ion is barium plus 2 ion begins to precipitate, that time solution contain how much Ag plus ion in solution is still unreacted or unprecipitated 70.7%. So it is not a practical method. It is not a practical method for the separation of Ag plus ions and barium plus 2 ion by selective precipitation. ठीक है ना? So on solving, you get the answer to this question. Okay, write next question. ठीक है, calculate solubility of, write down. Calculate solubility of calcium fluoride CaF2. Calculate solubility of calcium fluoride CaF2 in a buffer solution. In a buffer solution of pH equal to 3. pH equal to 3. Given the Ksp of calcium fluoride is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 9. Given the Ksp of calcium fluoride is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 9 and Ka of HF is given 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. It is given to you. Now solve this question yourself. Okay? Now to solve this question, what we require, देखिए हमारे पास दो इक्वेशंस हैं. एक तो इक्वेशन क्या है कैल्शियम सॉल्युबिलिटी इक्वेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम फ्लोराइड व्हेन डिसॉल्व्ड इन सॉल्यूशन क्या देगा कैल्शियम प्लस 2 आयन एक्वस प्लस 2F नेगेटिव आयन एक्वस. इट इज एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ KSP. Expression of KSP. Now in the solution acidic buffer medium, F negative ions will combine with the hydrogen plus ions to form HF. To equate the two expression, I can write here into 2. Then for the reaction, what is Kc? It is 1 by Ka square. It is 1 by Ka square. Now if I take here in solution when we add both equations, add कर लीजिए. On adding both equations, what happens? F negative ions in the solution net cancel out. CaF2 solid plus 2H plus ions in solution can give Ca plus 2 aqueous plus 2HF. And for the reaction, what is Kc overall can be taken as Ksp into 1 by Ka square. Now solution being buffer, concentration can be taken here. How much of H ions? 10 to the power 3 molar. Same रहेगा. Let's say it is taken initially 0 after reaction. ये आपको उतना ही रहेगा फिर भी. Solution buffer दिया है. ये होगा x and 2x. After reaction देखो ना minus x करके भी तो भी x and 2x. So we can take this expression. Now you can take KSP. आपको वैल्यू दिया KSP का, कितना दिया KSP का वैल्यू 5.3 into 10 to power minus 9 1 by Ka square. K दिया 6.7 into 10 to power minus 4 का स्क्वायर is equal to x into 2x का स्क्वायर by concentration of H ions का स्क्वायर. What is concentration of hydrogen ions? 10 to power minus 3 मोलर का स्क्वायर कर देंगे On solving from here, we will find the solubility X of the salt. X is the concentration of calcium plus 2 ion, same as solubility of the salt. आंसर पड़ेगा 1.43 into 10 to power minus 3 मोलर. ये आपका आंसर आना चाहिए. आगे ना कि solubility is X, 2X. 2x will form almost complex because 1 by k value is very high, but H and concentration remain constant. क्यों? Solution दिया है buffer. In acidic buffer or in a buffer solution, the pH value will remain practically constant. When the pH remains practically constant, concentration of hydrogen ions will remain same. So solubility you can find from here X. Okay. Right to next question. Given 10 to power minus 3 moles of Cu plus 2 ions, comma cobalt plus 2 ions, and Ag plus ions. Full stop. By using instability constant, which are equal to 10 to power minus 12, comma 4 into 10 to power minus 5, and 6 into 10 to power minus 8 m square respectively for the given metal ions complexes. Calculate the amount of ammonia. Calculate the amount of ammonia required to be added to 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution of each in order to lower the concentration of uncomplex ion to 10 to power minus 4 molar. Uncomplex ion to 10 to power minus 4 molar. The given the structure of complexes: copper form complex, tetraammine complex, Cu NH3 whole for 2 plus. For this complex, the value given of instability constant 10 to power minus 12. For cobalt, they form this complex Cu NH3 whole 6 2 plus. For this complex, the value given of instability constant. And for complex of silver, the value is given of K instability this much. So this question given basically 3 parts. Find the answer of each part. Okay? Try this question yourself. Now let's come to solution part. To solve this question, I will solve one part. Second, third part you will solve yourself. Let's say first part. When the reaction taken of copper plus 2 ions with ammonia, they will form complex Cu NH3 whole 4 2 plus. Now in this case, to balance, we take 4 ammonia and into the complex form the reaction. We write complex this way also. Now in this case, initial given how much Cu plus 2 ions, 10 to power minus 12, minus 3. Let us take in this case, we can take ammonia as A moles per liter. Now, how much amount decrease? Let's say minus X. They will consume 4X. They give how much complex? 1 mole can give 1 mole, so X moles give X moles per liter. In this case, for solution, the volume is given 1 liter. So moles can be taken same as concentration. Now you are given uncomplex ion is given 10 to power minus 4. That means you know the value of X. We know the value of X from here. What is X can be taken from here? Okay, 10 to power minus 3X minus X is equal to 10 to power minus 4. From here X will be how much? 10 to power minus 3 minus 10 to power minus 4. Now this can be taken how much? Can be 10 into 10 to power minus 4. So 9 into 10 to power minus 4 is the value of X. X is known to you. Now knowing the X value, we can take complex formation. यहाँ पे दिया complex का क्या? Dissociation. For the reverse reaction, what we can take? K stability 1 by this value कितना आएगा? 1 by 10 to power minus 12 is equal to concentration complex X X is known to you by 10 to the power minus 4 into how much is ammonia? A minus 4x का power 4. Now in this case, what is unknown to you? A only. The X is known to you 9 into 10 to the power minus 4. So first to find the concentration of ammonia in solution as a whole, A minus 4x. Once we know the value of A minus 4x, हमें निकालना क्या है? A का वैल्यू. A क्या है? Concentration of ammonia that should be taken initially. That should be taken initially. So in solving, we can find the value of concentration of ammonia. As your answer should come in this case 5.33 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar. As your answer required concentration of ammonia for Cu plus 2 ions. Similarly, we can take for cobalt plus 2 ions. Ammonia required is how much? 0.272. ये आपका आंसर आना चाहिए. अब निकाल लेंगे इसको. And for Ag plus ions, concentration required of ammonia should be 2.53 into 10 to the power minus 3. सारे मोल्स पर लीटर में. So there are 3 answers. I explained you first answer. I explained you first part answer. You will try second bit, third bit yourself on similar lines. When you take complex formation means यहाँ पे आपको दिया है instability constant, meaning when the complex dissociates. यहाँ पे reaction क्या है, इसका उल्टा कर दिया हमने complex formation में. Then for the reverse reaction क्या होगा हमारे पास? K stability, 1 by K stability. Already explained like in chemical equilibrium. If a reaction is reverse, for the reverse reaction क्या होता है? Kc will be 1 upon previous Kc. तो यहाँ पे है K stability. बट आपको डाटा दिया है मेटल आयंस का, निकालना अमोनिया है, तो रिएक्शन क्या होगा इसमें? इस डायरेक्शन में. फॉर द कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन एंड फॉर द कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन के स्टेबिलिटी में है इसमें 1 by K स्टेबिलिटी. वी कैन फाइंड फर्स्ट x वैल्यू बाय इक्वलिटी दिस वैल्यू. वंस x इज नॉट टू अस, इजी है निकालना. हम निकाल पाएंगे a का वैल्यू. a क्या है? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ अमोनिया दैट शुड बी टेकन इनिशियली. पहला पार्ट. अगला आते हैं कॉपर वाले केस में, कोबाल्ट के केस में CO plus 6 अमोनिया, तो रिएक्शन शुड बी मॉडिफाइड अकॉर्डिंगली. फॉर Ag plus ion, Ag plus 2 अमोनिया फ्रॉम कॉम्प्लेक्स, ये वाला बनेगा इसमें कॉम्प्लेक्स, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम इक्वेशन को मॉडिफाई कर लेते हैं. एंड देन ऑन सॉल्विंग दे आर योर आंसर्स. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू फर्स्ट पार्ट. सेकंड एंड थर्ड बिट यू विल डू एट योर ओन. ओके ओके राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. A sample of AgCl was treated with 5 ml of 1.5 molar 5 ml of 1.5 molar Na2CO3 solution to give silver carbonate Ag2CO3. Full stop. The remaining solution contained 0.0026 gram Cl negative ions per liter. The remaining solution contained 0.0026 gram Cl negative ions per liter. Full stop. Calculate the solubility product of AgCl. Calculate the solubility product of AgCl given the Ksp of Ag2CO3. Given the Ksp of Ag2CO3 is 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 12. Given the Ksp of Ag2CO3 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay? Try this question yourself. Solving this question, we can see certain points. That first of all, you can take the concentration of carbonate ions can be taken same as concentration of sodium carbonate, 1.5 molar initially, and then concentration of Cl negative ions will be how much? Weight upon molar weight. We have Cl negative ion 0.0026 gram Cl negative ion per liter. So weight upon molar weight 35.5 become the concentration of Cl negative ions. कितना का सॉल्व करने पर this value will come 7.5 32 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liter. Concentration of Cl negative in solution. Now from where we get Cl negative ion? आप देखिए इसमें solution क्या है? Solution contain initially AgCl and then we are adding to it sodium carbonate. So we can take here reaction wise. Reaction of sodium carbonate plus AgCl can give Ag2CO3 plus 2NaCl. If I take concentration taken of carbonate ion, initially 1.5 molar, it's a x mole react. Initially it is not given to you, given NaCl only. 1 mole can give 2 moles, so it is 2x moles per liter obtained of Cl negative ions. So concentration of Cl negative is given 2x is equal to how much? 7.32 into 10 to the minus 5 molar. So from here what is x value? इसका हाफ हो जाएगा, कितना आएगा? 3.66 into 10 to the minus 5 molar. So can say this x is very very low. The value of x is very very low. So as compared to 1.5, this value can be neglected. So can take in solution concentration of Na2CO3 remain almost unchanged. Concentration of Na2CO3 in solution remain almost constant. And then NaCl is given. So this is same as concentration of Cl negative in solution. Now to calculate the expression of Ksp of AgCl, we can write two expressions. One, if I take AgCl, first we take Ag2CO3 when dissociates. In solution give Ag plus ions plus carbonate ions, expression of Ksp. And AgCl, solid can give Ag plus ions plus Cl negative ion, it is Ksp expression of AgCl. If I write whole into 2, it is Ksp square of AgCl. Now if it is taken expression subtraction, Ag ions cancel out. What expression remains? Ag2CO3 solid plus 2Cl negative ion aqueous is equal given the expression 2AgCl solid plus carbonate ions aqueous. Now for the reaction, what is K overall? When you take equation subtraction, it is Ksp of Ag2CO3 divided by Ksp of AgCl का square, and it is how much? You can take expression wise. Cl negative concentration given to in solution 7.32 into 10 to the minus 5 molar, and in solution the concentration of carbonate ions will be same as sodium carbonate is 1.5 moles per liter. So when you take expression, what is Ksp of Ag2CO3? 8.2 into 10 to the minus 12 by Ksp of AgCl का स्क्वायर. आपको निकालना है Ksp of AgCl कितना आएगा? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ कार्बोनेट आयंस कितना सोल्यूशन में है? 1.5 मोल्स पर लीटर डिवाइड बाय कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Cl नेगेटिव का स्क्वायर, तो 7.32 into 10 to the power minus 5 का स्क्वायर. When we equate here, we can find the Ksp of AgCl. On solving the Ksp of AgCl, will come your answer 1.71 into 10 to the power minus 10 m square. At the Ksp on solving, Ksp of AgCl will come on solving 1.71 into 10 to the power minus 10 m square. Okay. Okay, let us take one more question in calculation of pH of buffer solutions. Question here, written question. Calculate the pH, written question. Calculate the pH of a solution prepared by adding 0.1 mole of NaOH, by adding 0.1 mole of NaOH to 1 liter solution to 1 liter solution containing 0.2 moles of HiO3. Given the Ka value for this acid is 0.2. For this HiO3 acid, the value of Ka given is 0.2. So let's solve this question here. Using in this case reaction first. Reaction first taken of HiO3 plus NaOH. In solution क्या देगा आपको? In solution it give NaIO3 plus water. Acid base reaction. Now what is moles given? 0.2 moles. We are adding NaOH 0.1 mole. So NaOH will act as limiting reagent. Amount remaining 0. How much acid remain? 0.2 minus 0.1. They give how much salt? 0.1. Now if I take in this case, the acid remaining is 0.1, weak acid remaining is 0.1, salt produce 0.1. Putting both values in the buffer formula. What is pH? Equal to pKa plus log salt by acid unreacted. pK value given how much in this question? आपको K दिया है 0.2. So pH in this case is equal to pKa is equal to how much? Minus log of this value 0.2. That become how much? 0.7. Now in this case we solving pH is coming how much? 0.7. Is it correct answer or not? Is it correct answer or not? No, it is not the correct answer. आप तो बोले सर, we have read the equation, Henderson's equation that pH is equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. Yes, it is there, but remember that equation is only approximate. That equation for pH calculation of buffer solution, the equation is called Henderson's equations, are only approximate, not exact. क्यों? Because we assume that this acid is practically unionized, but in this case Ka value is good enough, sufficient in this case. So this acid will further dissociate to produce some more IO3 negative ions. It is 0.1 mole from NaIO3, but this acid have Ka value 0.2. So this undergo further some more dissociation. So let us take for calculation of accurate answer, what expression we can use here? HiO3 will further dissociate to give some more IO3 negative ions. How much is concentration taken of HiO3? 0.1. Let's say x mole will dissociate. तो कितना देगा? X mole of H plus ions. And how much IO3 negative ion? 0.1 था पहले से plus x. So you can take the K value how much? X into 0.1 plus x by 0.1 minus x is equal to 0.2. So equation taken here become quadratic. From where we find the value of x accurately. On calculating the value of x will be coming 0.056. सब चेक करो निकाल के. The x is coming 0.056. So concentration of hydrogen plus ions will be coming 0.056 moles per liter because volume is 1 liter. It's in solution of volume 1 liter. So moles will be same as molarity. Now from here we find pH. कितना का minus log of this H ions concentration 0.056. That is you can get 2 minus log 5.6 1.25. So in this question the correct answer will come 1.25. So buffer formulas we are applying, but be careful. Those buffer formula equations for pH calculations are only approximate. Not exact. So we can use the information as per the question given. If the value of Ka given 10 to power minus 5 minus 4 range, then we can say because of common ion effect in solution they remain practically undissociated. But in this case when the Ka value is sufficient high enough, then in solution they may be ionized to some extent further. Alpha for them may not be negligible. So on this point be careful. Okay.